Dorman Products January 2015 Top Parts Overview Video. Think it's dealer only? Check Dorman first. Our exclusive transmission electro-hydraulic control modules, also known as a TECM, fit a large population of almost 6 million GM vehicles on the road today. These modules combine multiple functions of several components, such as the valve body solenoid, pressure and temperature switches, into one consolidated unit. Our remanufactured and tested modules include all gaskets and seals that are needed for this plug-and-play unit. Our unit is also programmed with vehicle VIN information, ensuring an easy installation without the need for programming. With over 10 SKUs available, our offering of new-to-the-aftermarket steering oil coolers continues to grow. Our exclusive new unit offers direct fit coverage for various Chrysler and Dodge vehicles from 2013 to 2005 without the need to retrofit, saving time. Our program now offers over 30 oil filter caps with an exclusive range of application coverage. Original oil caps are commonly over-torqued during installation, causing them to wear and break over time and potentially causing leaks. Fitting nearly 2 million Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Volkswagen from 2013 to 2011 on the road today, this new cap quickly replaces the original while forming a proper seal. Our line of integrated door latch actuators has new coverage for popular Dodge vehicles from 2010 to 2003. These integrated actuators feature a high-quality electric motor and serve as both latch and door lock actuators in locking and unlocking vehicle doors with. Our line of steel wheels includes coverage for over 500,000 Ford Fusion and Mercury Milan vehicles from 2011 to 2010. Original wheels that are commonly damaged due to potholes, curb rash, and collision can now be easily replaced. Our 30 SKU program of direct fit steel wheels offers replacement units that are fully compatible with original wheel covers and TPMS sensors, while adhering to DOT standards. Also available in this month's announcement are oil dipstick, transfer case gasket, dipstick tube, shock mount, high-pressure oil pump hoses.